Hi everyone, this is Caitlin Walter, and here is my advertisement for the Go Green campaign. So, from our clients' comments, we were told to create a campaign that was the same size as the nighttime news ads that we place around the city, and the sample ad should only include the words Go Green and the website address for the Go Green campaign. And the background images wanted to be something of renewable energy, sustainability kind of sorts. So at first I found this image, the Green Fest image. I thought it was just plain and simple and would be a good idea for a campaign ad. So as you can see, I erased the Green Fest text and added Go Green and the website address. And here's my first example of the Go Green. This is at an airport escalator. And I obviously resized the image and warped it and tilted it to fit the example. And here's a park bench. Okay, so there is the advertisement on a park bench. Okay, so then I'm gonna add some, whoops. I'm gonna add some effects to this just for the lighting. So, and on this one I'm gonna add an inner glow because usually in these types of things there's like LED lights in the background that help glow the image. So here are my 3 different advertisements for the Go Green campaign. Thanks.